Installing a UV disinfection process on the outlets of each of the rapid gravity filters will help us further improve the quality of supplied drinking water before it travels to people's taps. We control the chemical requirement by adding an additional barrier of protection with Evoqua's Wafer UV and reduce the risk of pathogens potentially being released to the public. With support from Evoqua, a new innovative UV technology was identified to meet Northumbrian Water's requirements. This meant that there will be no need to increase the size of the treatment works footprint, further reducing the estimated capital investment. And thanks to the wafer system's innovative design, the low head loss meant no additional pumping stage would be required, keeping energy consumption and carbon footprint to a minimum, helping to make Mosswood more sustainable, resilient and future-proof the treatment works. The post-filter installation approach is a great success. And after market research, Evoqua's Wafer UV system is the only product on the market able to meet the project requirements from an installation and operations perspective. This is an exciting development for Northumbrian Water. It is the first time we have treated filtered water in a treatment works of this size and the first water utility company to use this particular piece of equipment from our supply partners, Evoqua.
The key to this project was the early engagement and collaboration between Northumbrian Water, Evoqua and their partners. Early engagement allowed us to innovate with our patented Wafer UV design and our individual post-filter outlet approach. Both of these factors allowed us to help Northumbrian Water meet its requirements where conventional UV design and systems wouldn't. At Evoqua, we believe it is our responsibility to innovate through collaboration to ensure the solutions we provide are sustainable for the public, our partners and the environment.